In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix volume keeps automatically resetting on Windows 11. Now, all you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. And without further ado, just go ahead to the search menu and type in Control Panel. Now go ahead, click on Open, and the Control Panel will open up for you. Just click on View by make sure it's on large icons, and then just scroll down to find Sound. Just click on it. Now this window will open up for you. Just go ahead, click on the speaker you have, right-click on it. And after you right-click on it, just make sure you go ahead, click on Properties. Now when Properties open up for you, just click on Advanced. And just make sure Enable Audio Enhancements is turned on. As you can see at the bottom, now when you turn it on, just go ahead, click on Apply. And then OK, in my case, it's already turned on. After that, go back and click on the Communications tab. And click on Do Nothing, then click on Apply and OK. And after you have done all of that, just go ahead to the sound options again and click on Recording. Now just right-click on the mic that's being used and click on Properties. Now click on the Advanced tab. Now just disable Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply and click on OK again. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.